हेलो, वेलकम बैक। आज हम लोग क्लास 7 इंग्लिश चैनल चैप्टर 12 द स्टोलन बैसिलस का सॉल्यूशन देखने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, मैच द फॉलोइंग। ही नरेटेड ए स्टोरी टू एंटरटेन द गेस्ट। इसका ऑप्शन सी लगा देना है कि बैक्टीरियोलॉजिस्ट। नंबर 2, he plotted to get biological weapon to destroy the town, anarchist. Number 3, she followed her husband, a mini. Option A, mini. Number 4, a little glass tube that gets stolen. Option B, cultivation of disease causing bacteria. Question B, read these sentences, answer the question with reference to the context. Reference 1. Blue ruin, cried the bacteriologist and immediately ran to the front door and down the step of his house to the street. Question number A. Why did bacteriologist say blue ruin? Answer. He realized the stolen tube could cause serious trouble. Why did bacteriologist run after the stranger? The bacteriologist ran after the stranger retrieve the stolen tube. ठीक है, यहाँ पे यहाँ पे 2 लगा देना है। ठीक है, तो आंसर हो जाएगा द बैक्टीरियोलॉजिस्ट रैन आफ्टर द स्ट्रेंजर टू रिट्राइव द स्टोलन ट्यूब। नंबर सी, do you think the bacteriologist was careless? Yes, the bacteriologist was careless. Next, reference to vibe anarchy. You are late, my friend. I have drank it. The cholera is abroad. Question 1 A. Explaining the meaning of phrase vibe anarchy and the language it is in. It means long live anarchy in French. Question number B. Why did a stranger say so? The stranger said so to express triumph over the stealing the tube. Number C. Why did the bacteriologist beam? He knew the tube contained a harmless dye. Now, 15 questions with brief answer based on the story. Who is the author of the story? H.G. Wells. And what was the stolen item? Tube. Number 3. What germ did bacteriologist claim it contained? Cholera. What germ did bacteriologist claim it contained? Cholera. What was the real content of tube? Dye. Number 5. What was the visitor's true motive? Terrorism. What did the visitor pretend to be? Scientist. Who interrupted the bacteriologist? Wife. Where did the bacteriologist chase the visitor? Street. What color did the dye stain? Blue. Who followed with the bacteriologist belongings? Minnie, his wife. Where did the visitor intend to release the substance? Water supply. What type of character was visitor? Anarchist. What did the bacteriologist wear during the chase? Slippers. What animal did die previously affect? Kitten. What bring the visitor head toward? Waterloo. Question C. Answer this question briefly. Question number 1. How did the pale faced man gain access to the bacteriologist and his laboratory? Answer. The pale faced man gained access to the bacteriologist and his laboratory by presenting a forged letter of introduction. Why did the pale faced man call the anarchist fools? The pale faced man called anarchist fools because they used bomb instead of biological weapon. What did the bacteriologist say he was obliged to do? Answer. The bacteriologist said he was obliged to keep live bacteria culture. Question number 4. How did tube containing the bacteria break, and what was the man planning to do with the content of tube before it broke? Answer. It broke when the man leaned on the cap and he planned to release it into the water supply. Question number 5. Why did the anarchist drink the contents of tube? Answer. The anarchist drank the content of tubes to carry out his plan to spread the supposed cholera. Question number 6. What did bacteriologist reveal to his wife about the contents of a stolen tube? What did he think would be bother? The bacteriologist revealed to his wife about the content of a stolen tube contained a harmless dye. Preparing a new culture would be a bother. Question D. Think and write the answer to this question. Question number 1. What do you think would have happened to anarchist? Answer. The anarchist likely realized he had not consumed a deadly substance and say have felt embarrassed or humiliated. It is possible he experienced distress or anger at being deceived, but ultimately he would not have faced the catastrophic consequence he expected. He may have been caught and arrested for his attempted act. The last question. What do you think the action of bacteriologist in the story? Did he responsibly or irresponsibly give reason? The bacteriologist acted somewhat irresponsibly, although he was knowledgeable and meant no harm. He left dangerous material within easy reach, allowing an intruder to steal a tube, while his pursuit of the thief showed a sense of urgency. It revealed his initial lapse in maintaining proper security measure in his laboratory. So next, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. मिलते हैं फिर अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय, गुड, टेक केयर.